In need of the perfect all-in-one table for your next trip outdoors? The Stansport heavy-duty camp table with benches is sure to do the trick. The whole unit stores flat with the benches nesting underneath the tabletop, making for easy transportation. To assemble, lay on a flat surface with the tabletop facing the ground. Rotate the locking brackets to release the table leg frames. Pull both leg frames until the table leg braces lock into place. Next, remove the benches from the table and set aside. With the help of another person, carefully flip the table over to complete the table setup. Repeat the same steps with each bench, laying flat and pulling the leg braces until they lock into place. Flip the benches over, sit back, and relax. For a versatile design, we've constructed this set around a heavy-duty steel frame. Both the tabletop and benches are constructed of durable, high-density polyethylene, making it durable enough for any occasion. Each bench has a weight capacity of 500 pounds, and the table has a capacity of 225 pounds. With a tabletop surface of 44.5 inches long by 24 inches wide, this table will easily accommodate 4 hungry campers. This table also has maximum leg clearance for a comfortable dining experience. When the party's over, the whole unit collapses back down, just as easy as it was to set up. Whether you're having a picnic, camping, hosting a tailgate, or having a backyard party, the Stansport heavy-duty camp table with benches makes entertaining a breeze.